So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fund these wallets. Okay, first you have to do is to go to the wallets and choose the wallet you want to fund. Okay, but I want to delete one of my wallets or maybe close uh, this wallet. So I can actually click on the second one right here. I have there, and I can delete the wallets. Okay, yeah. So if I want to delete the wallets, now I delete the wallet. Now I have only one wallet. Now this is the wallet I have right now, as you can see. Now I want to send ton to this one. Okay, I want to send ton to this one. So let me just close this one first. Let me delete this message. So let me go to the wallet. This is the wallet I'm saying. As you can see right now, I'm going to copy it. First thing you have to do is you need ton, and the only way you can get ton is on OKX. You can get on OKX, on Bybit, send ton, and download this wallet extension. You can literally send that ton directly, okay, to this wallet on your either your Bybit or on your OKX. Make sure you choose ton. And the second method is if you're already in ton or you have ton inside your wallet, okay, you don't have to do this. Okay, so I'm using my ton wallet. Okay, let us see now. I'm using my ton wallet for this transaction right there. See, as you can see right now, I'm using my ton wallet, which I install on my browser. So ton keeper is called the ton keeper wallet. So I download the extension for Chrome. Okay, this is ton keeper wallet. So I downloaded the extension for Chrome and it has been running well. Okay, so as you can see, just download it for your Chrome. After you are done, click on the it, and as you can see, I have a ton already. I have ton already. This is one of the meme coin. I'm saying this is one of the meme coin. So like 30, 39, 37% right now. So I want to send a small ton to my wallet right now. So I'm going to click on send right now. Enter the recipient address, which is the address. Like this is the recipient address doesn't is not okay. So let me just go and copy. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Return to the wallet list. So this is it. So I'm going to copy the wallet. As you can see, it's already copied. So I think this is it. Turn trade. So I'm going to click on continue. And how many turn do I want to send? I want to send 0.2 just to test this out. Okay, just to test it out. So input my password. So it is done. Now it is done. So let us go to the history. So sent here, I think it's still loading. Let us view the explorer, and this is the gas fee that is already sent. Okay, you can send ton. Okay, you can send ton to your wallet using OKX and Bybit. Okay, you can register a Bybit account, and there are other way that you can even buy ton. Okay, the other way that you can even buy ton. So I use this website that is called the Change Now to buy ton. Okay, and it's okay for me using other cryptocurrency. If I have any other cryptocurrency you want to exchange for ton, you can use this. Okay, so I want to use an example for you. So first thing I have to do is, let me say I have a USDT staying in my Binance wallet, and the USDT can be in BSC, the Polygon. So I decided to use the Polygon. Okay, and I want to buy ton, so I can just search for ton. Okay, and turn on ton coin. Okay, turn on ton coin, not any turn on ton coin. So click on ton coin, and I want to send like buy like $50. Input the $50 USDT on Polygon, which is cost you. So let us see one USDT right now cost you. Okay, the minimum is, so let us all want to send like 10 USDT, which is 1.4 ton. Now click on exchange. After you click on exchange, it's going to show you an address where you want the ton to be paid out. So this is ton payout address, and the memo is optional. Okay, and after you click on confirm right now, it's going to show an address where you can just send the 10 USDT to. After you send the 10 USDT to the address, they are going to send it directly to your wallet. Trust me, they are going to send it to your wallet. So let me reload this one. I don't know why it's supposed to. So as you can see right now, we have the ton inside our wallet. So let me click on it now. So you can see right now, here's the balance, which is 0.02, which means we can now buy whatever we want to trade on ton ecosystem. So that is the end of this guys. Next trade we are going to talk about how you can buy and sell on this using this trading board, because you can easily buy and sell token fast without even using other wallet platform. Okay, so without further ado, let us hit that one.